Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox Dell wireless keyboard mouse, specifically model number KM7321W with a German keyboard layout and which has special keys like deleting and special keys for the arrow keys as well as a special numpad and the beautiful nice wireless mouse. So this is the box. Today I received it, and so let's go ahead and open it. So I got a scissor and let's cut it. Yep. And let's open it. It's a little bit tough. So this keyboard also works with Bluetooth, with an RF jack, and it has a very nice long battery life. So let's open it. Here you go. So this is our keyboard, a full-fledged keyboard with numpad and special keys on the right side pad. Okay, bigger escape key. Shift is also nice and big. And we have here, if you can see, the battery level indicator, then the connections and Bluetooth thing. We have a special key. If you want to switch from one PC to another, you can do that just from the switch key. So this comes with the bag. We have some kind of plastic wrapped around. I'm surprised it's only on the back side and not on the front side. So let's keep it here for now. And this is a compartment for the batteries. So this comes like this one. Let's keep it aside. And here is the section. So it accepts 2 AAA batteries here, and we have already given it in the box. So in the box will be the keyboard, a pair of AAA batteries, single AA battery. I think this is for mouse. Some documentation, standard documentation, and a mouse. So this is a. Let's open the batteries and slide them in. So you need to slide them in like that's the first one, and there goes the second one. Then you just need to place it and push it back so that it can fit in. So once that's done, on the keyboard we have a power on-off button on the edge, on the right side edge. So you can turn it on from here. You can see it's here. So this will turn on the keyboard. And the feel and the weight is so nice. It looks sturdy, and I know this is plastic, but it feels like it's made of metal. The keystroke is very nice. I liked it. I have a previous version of it where we don't have the special keys. It has a numpad, but not the special key. As a programmer, I need pause, eins, end, that's home, and end, delete separate keys. So that is very helpful when you move to the first position or the last position of the document. So that's very nice. So that's why I switched to this new keyboard. So that's all about the keyboard. Let's keep it aside. Now move to the next component. That's a Dell mouse. That's a precision mouse. It has a nice shape. I mean, it fits into my palm perfectly. And on the downside, you'll have a Dell logo, okay, engraved, and you'll have a laser sensor on the bottom and power on and off button. So you need to pull it down to turn on and push it on up to turn off. On the top side you'll have this shiny silver top, okay, which contains connection button, so you can connect it to 2 or 3 different systems, one with RF connection and 2 with Bluetooth. And there is a nice wheel as a middle button which can be clickable, so you can click it and you can roll it for scrolling. And on the side you have 2 special buttons to do some specific task, which you can assign it on the Dell app. So once you connect this mouse to your system, it will install a Dell peripheral devices app, and from there you can reassign these buttons to whatever task you need, like for example cut, paste, or anything, page up, page down, or something like that. Okay. And apart from this top, you'll have this like a dark silver, or I'll say grayish sturdy body. Okay. I think sometimes it looks like a rubber on the top, but I think that's a plastic. Okay. So to open this and to insert the battery and to turn it on, you need to get rid of this silver top. To do that, you need to push your nails or fingers inside in here between the base and the silver plate. Push it up and then just veers off. For now, just keep it aside. And here you'll see RF connector. So that's your RF connector. You can connect it to the PC, and this will install the Dell peripheral app into your system. Or you can use this button to, as I said earlier, that's for different connection modes. And this slot is for the battery. So just take the battery and put the negative pole of the battery inside and put it down like this. So that's how you install the battery. Okay. Since I don't need this RF connector, I'm just keeping it in. Okay. And just when you want to close this lid, you can just place it from the bottom up. So you place it here, and it has some magnets, so it'll pull down, but not completely. So you need to press it once on each side so that it just fits in there. So that's all about this mouse, and here you need to turn it on, and then you can set up the connection. Okay. It depends on which system you're using, but I found the connection with Bluetooth is ultra low power, and then if you're using over Bluetooth, the battery will last for months. Okay. My previous mouse batteries were at least a year. They lasted a year. The Duracell batteries are really nice. Okay. So that's all about this unboxing. If you have any questions, if you want to know some things, you can drop a comment or you can contact me. I will try to give my feedback, genuine feedback, what I felt about this. I'll be using this keyboard for my programming stuff. Yeah, I know this is not an ultra light movable keyboard, but for my desk setup, a wireless keyboard is a must because I hate cables, too many cables on my desk. So thank you guys. I wish you a nice day and stay strong. Thank you for watching. Like this video, comment and share this video with your friends.